warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Let me introduce myself as the moderator. We are gathered here today to discuss a debate on the topic Indonesian and South Korean curriculum. Before we begin, allow me to introduce the two groups. The first group is pro group and the second group is the contra group. We invite the pro group to introduce themselves first, followed by the contra group. Alright, the introduction session is over. As the moderator, I will open the debate session. We invite the pro group to present their opinion first.
The independent curriculum is a curriculum that aims to improve the quality of learning by providing freedom and flexibility to students. This curriculum emphasizes the development of students' character, competence, and life skills. There are still many advantages to this independent curriculum, including 1. Learning is not rushed, but deep and meaningful. 2. The independent curriculum encourages the implementation of more interactive learning methods. 3. The Merdeka curriculum gives schools and teachers the freedom to design learning that is appropriate to the context and needs of students. The implementation of the education system in Indonesia is much better compared to South Korea. In terms of mental health, on average children in South Korea experience stress, do many demands on everything, high academic pressure, very heavy study load, which requires students to study from morning to night. Teachers who often body shame students, so that there are many cases bullying in South Korea. It is no wonder that many South Korean students have decided to end their own lives. Thank you.
Contra group is
The curriculum in South Korea embraces equipping students with knowledge and skills so that they are ready to enter the workforce. Then, establish a compulsory education program in Hopfis where we know the impact the curriculum. When we do project activity, we spend our own money. This educational curriculum in Indonesia school and South Korea school is very different. In South Korea, the focus of education in developing strong academic knowledge, the emphasis of learning in all science, mathematics, and English. The curriculum used also has high standard compared to the South Korea educational curriculum. Indonesia places more on character development based on Pancasila value. The learning curriculum in Indonesia does not emphasize on only a few subjects and tends to be less flexible.
Why can you say it not flexible?
in the independent curriculum, which only emphasizes active particular learning, isn't it less fair?
No, in my opinion, the learning is very strict and very good for the level of education that exists in the world.
Doesn't it show that our current curriculum is not very good? No, not possible.
Isn't what we need a curriculum that can give us the knowledge and skill that make us really ready to enter the world of work?
You think the curriculum in Indonesia does not meet the criteria for finding work. In fact, the Indonesian curriculum specifies that every school has subjects that lead to entrepreneurship or better ways to start a career.
Even though the independent curriculum was created for a better Indonesia, it cannot be denied that there are many weaknesses that are given, from funding, implementation, and many students and teachers who are also not too.
Indeed, every curriculum in this world has its own advantages and disadvantages. Maybe you think that the learning system in Korea is better than Indonesia, but for us it's not like that. How can you prove it?
There are many Indonesian students who are currently studying abroad, and there are also many successful entrepreneurs from among young Indonesians. This is relevant evidence that education in Indonesia is very advanced and developing. Thank you.
No. You don't understand. If the Indonesia curriculum is considered good, why are there still many people who are against this curriculum?
This has sparked controversy because the Indonesian education system focuses too much on exams, which results in students feeling stressed and unable to follow the learning process. And the Indonesian curriculum is often considered to focus too much on the theory and pays little attention.
Please calm down, everyone.
Okay. No.
In conclusion, this discussion has been adjourned due to unconducive condition. Thank you.